there from Gajara. Now, Lord Lugard's ordinance, which stipulates that people with mental illness should be arrested and imprisoned, was domesticated in Nigeria after independence in 1960. Now, while efforts to ameliorate the plight of people in similar situations like people with special needs have gotten the attention of government through legislation, people with mental illness are still on their own, so to say, without any legal protection. And Ikechu Unduke has been pondering on this, and in this report puts the issue in perspective.
Mental illness entails depression of the mind, hallucination, distortion of reality, which results into paranoid thinking, catatonic, and hebephrenia. Hebephrenia inhabits in dirty places. Catatonics are usually very violent, while the paranoia are quiet and resentful. These classes of lunatics, referred to as schizophrenia, are found in most parts of Nigeria, with their presence causing public scare. Dr. Sylvia Benda is a German resident in Nigeria. She has some suggestions on how to handle people with mental illness.
Germany has a fantastic healthcare system where everyone who is working pays a little bit into health insurance. We have programs for mental health illness patients that would administer drugs for free.
Aside physical cases, proper dieting, provision of jobs can reduce depression and psychosis, the neuropathic says.
But the pharmaceutical drugs are not going to get to the root of the issue of why people are the way they are. Part of a program where they are in a group session, where they discuss their issues and to understand more about themselves, about how to interact with others in a group setting.
A family lawyer, Samson Dukwe, is demanding an act of the National Assembly that will ameliorate the plight of people living with mental illness. The legal luminary described as disturbing the situation where mentally ill persons are discriminated against without any form of legal protection.
Open up a center for them to also see them as part of the society and give them the rights that are due for them.
They are mostly abandoned there. I'm sure you see them on Facebook where you see some people chaining them to a standpoint as if they are prisoners. Yes, they may be violent. So I think we will need to step up. The society needs to do something because these mentally challenged people are people's relatives. They are people's husbands, they are people's wives, they are people's sisters, they are people's brothers.
Mentally ill persons do not vote during elections and are legally bound from being voted for. They do not enjoy rights, dignity of human person, and rights to assembly. Legal practitioners say these are inhuman and degrading treatments. In Abuja, Ikechu Ndukwe, NTA News.